Today, I'm going to walk you through how to use Vizard to turn your long-form videos into scroll-stopping shorts without losing your mind. If you have ever spent hours manually clipping highlights from a long podcast or educational video, you are going to love this approach. First, just head over to the main website and poke around because the interface is clean and purposely designed to not be overwhelming. The main goal here is efficiency, so let's jump straight into the auto clip feature, which is the absolute magic button for this platform. You can paste a YouTube link, drop a Dropbox URL, or just upload a file directly from your computer to get started immediately. Once you drop in a long file, like a 40-minute podcast, the AI analyzes the entire video to pick out the moments most likely to go viral. You can even use custom prompts here, like asking the AI to highlight punchlines or pull out teaching moments about growth. It understands context perfectly, prioritizing those big emotional peaks, laugh lines, and high information bites that viewers love. It then automatically creates short, optimized edits that are already trimmed and ready with captions, saving you the most tedious part of the process. Now, take a look at the suggested clips in the timeline, where you can easily tweak the start and end points of any snippet. You can also quickly swap the aspect ratio to 9:16 for TikTok or Reels, or horizontal if you need something for Twitter. One thing I personally love is that you do not need to be a professional video editor to make these look absolutely pro. Changing a caption style or adding a quick transition takes just a couple of clicks, which is a massive time saver. Speaking of captions, Vizards are solid because they are auto-generated and synced, allowing you to manually edit them if the transcription needs a touch-up. They also include multiple styling presets so you can pick a look that matches your brand, whether you want bold, minimalist, or something playful. Now, let's talk about templates, which are perfect if you want a hook frame or an outro call to action that makes your clips way more clickable. You can also utilize B-roll suggestions where the tool automatically populates the timeline with footage, so you do not have to go hunting for filler. When the clip looks great, you can hit export, but the real time saver is actually the auto schedule feature. This is what turns your workflow from a stressful content scramble into a seamless set it and forget it system. You can set your posting frequency and choose which social channels to push to, letting the tool handle the distribution across your calendar. This is built around the core idea that creators need a continuous stream of content without having to babysit every single post. The content calendar view is absolute gold because it allows you to visualize all your upcoming posts and drag and drop them to reschedule. If you work with a team, you can even leave notes for collaborators, mark drafts, and approve posts right there in the dashboard. It is significantly easier than bouncing between a messy spreadsheet and a dozen open browser tabs to get your work done. Honestly, once you have a month's worth of clips auto-scheduled, your headspace really frees up for creative stuff instead of admin. I do want to be clear that Vizard does not replace your creative judgment, as you should still review which clips best align with your message. That said, for creators who publish regularly, this platform handles more of the heavy lifting than almost any other tool I have used. There are other options that started as one-trick ponies, but those often require you to juggle multiple, expensive subscriptions to get the same results. With Vizard, the sweet spot is having automation combined with practical customization, so you are never locked out of manual tweaks. To see this in action, imagine uploading a 14-minute rant where the AI immediately suggests several high-impact clips for you. You can quickly adjust the trims to tighten the pace, choose a template with bold captions, and let it suggest a B-roll cut. Then you just schedule them to post over the next few weeks, and the whole thing takes you under 15 minutes of active effort. One other feature to call out is the bulk operation mode, where you can queue an entire backlog of archived content and let it process everything. This is perfect for podcasters and educators who have years of content just sitting there waiting to be repurposed into bite-sized clips. A quick tip. Think about your hooks, because most top-performing clips open with a micro-controversy, a surprising stat, or a very clear promise. Also, do not over-polish your videos because short-form content thrives on authenticity, so lean into raw energy whenever you can. If you want to test this quickly, just upload a 20-minute video and let it suggest 5 to 10 clips for your feed. It is a very small time investment for a massive scalable multiplier on your total content output. Ultimately, the biggest value proposition here is the mental load it removes by letting an assistant surface the best moments. For creators who are busy juggling filming, community management, and life, having that extra breathing room is absolutely huge. If you have questions about specific workflows, customizing your templates, or integrating captions, just drop them in the comments below. That is the walkthrough, so give it a spin, see how many clips you can generate in an hour, and tell me what your top performing one was.